we're gonna take the old hot rod RV here and make it pretty.
The neighbors have put up with this thing for years, looking like it does. So we're gonna just give it a once over. This isn't gonna be a finished body job or anything like that. I just want to make it more presentable, mostly for the neighbors, because God bless them, they have put up with a lot. This is a little neighborhood shop surrounded by houses. I mean, you couldn't open a shop like this in a neighborhood like this today. It just would never happen. The building itself has roots that are grown into the community. I mean, I've been here something like 10 years, but anybody could have been a success here. It's like a ship waiting for a captain. And, you know, one thing led to another, and here I am. Let me see here. I really enjoy making these thumbnails. You know, I am an artist, natural born, and this really satisfies my need to create. I did the background remover earlier. I know I made a pledge, no AI. Well, isn't that AI? I don't think so. You know, I don't see much difference between that and printing out the photo and cutting it out with scissors. Other than it's more convenient, it's faster, easier to share, all that. I mean, so all right, so there's a lot of differences, but it's still, that's not AI. I see a pattern emerging here. I make these thumbnail videos, drop them on Wednesdays at 4 p.m. and it's giving you kind of a preview of what's coming up on the Sunday build video. I drop those Sundays at 10 a.m. I'm gonna keep that pattern going. So my boy and I are gonna get busy scrubbing this thing down, throwing some paint at it, and making it presentable. Check it out, Sunday morning, 10 a.m. Alright, I didn't plan on this having a springtime theme, but it sure is coming together that way. And that's what I mean by this. These things just happen naturally, and I just go with it. Now that I'm looking at this, it's like this is a very Easter, spring kind of looking thing here, and it 100% wasn't planned. I'm gonna go with that. Looks like we're getting pretty close to a completed thumbnail. And now you guys know what to look for this Sunday, 10 a.m. You get to see a video of, you know, a little bit of an exterior visual prettying up. Save me from all I've left to do. There's nothing I can explain. It's too strange to believe. 'Cause everybody's angel except for me. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll see you next time.